For a diabetic person, establishing healthy morning habits can help manage blood sugar levels and maintain overall health. Here are 5 essential morning habits for diabetics. 1. Monitor blood sugar. Why? Checking your blood sugar first thing in the morning provides insight into how your body is managing glucose overnight. It helps in making informed decisions about your diet and medication throughout the day. Tip: keep a glucose monitor handy and log your readings. 2. Eat a balanced breakfast. Why? A well-balanced breakfast helps regulate blood sugar levels and provides sustained energy. Avoid sugary cereals and opt for high-fiber, protein-rich foods. Good choices: whole grains, eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, and non-starchy vegetables. 3. Hydrate with water. Why? Proper hydration is crucial for managing blood sugar. Water helps your body regulate glucose levels and prevents dehydration, which can raise blood sugar. Tip: drink at least 1 glass of water upon waking and continue hydrating throughout the morning. 4. Incorporate light exercise. Why? Morning exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity and can help lower blood sugar levels. It also boosts energy and mental clarity. Suggestions: a 15-20 minute walk, light stretching, or yoga can work wonders. 5. Take medications, insulin, as prescribed. Why? Ensuring that medications, including insulin, are taken consistently as prescribed is key to keeping blood sugar under control. Tip: set a reminder to take your medications at the same time every morning to create a habit. Adopting these habits can help in better managing diabetes and leading a healthier life. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the recipe, and do not forget to subscribe.